ഗുഡ് ഈവനിങ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്. എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. വിച്ച് ഈസ് നോട്ട് എ യൂസ് ഓഫ് ഡയഗ്നോസ്റ്റിക് ടെസ്റ്റ്? ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി, പ്രൊവൈഡ് basis of promotion to the next higher class. Which does not reflect teaching for understanding? Answer എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഓപ്ഷൻ സി, enable to recall. Who wrote Siddhanta Shiromani? Answer option A, Bhaskara. Consistency of a test is referred as? Answer option C, reliability. Subjectivity is more for? Answer option B, essay type items. Characteristic of originality is related to which value of teaching mathematics? Answer option A, disciplinary value. The branch of mathematics dealing with the study of numbers and fundamental operations on them is? Answer option A, arithmetic. Which among the following is more important? Answer option A, correlation of mathematics with life. What is the purpose of assignment in mathematics? Self-study, supplementing classroom teaching, independent work of students, all the above. Answer എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി, all the above. Remedial frames are provided in? Answer option D, branched programming. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ZPD means? Answer option B, zone of proximal development. Clinometer is used for? Answer option D, finding angles of elevation and depression. The day-to-day plan of action of a teacher for effective teaching. Answer option C, lesson plan. Which of the following is not a prerequisite for learning the construction of circumcircle of a triangle? Answer option B, bisector of an angle. Option B, bisector of an angle. Inductive and deductive methods are answer option C, complementary to each other. Which is exclusively for individualizing instruction. Answer option D, programmed learning. In which method of teaching mathematics we proceed from unknown to known? Answer option C, analytic method. Questioning is a technique in mathematics classroom for answer option D, stimulating thinking. For students, a textbook should not be. For students, a textbook should not be. Answer എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഓപ്ഷൻ സി, a substitute for the teacher. Theory of meaningful verbal learning was propounded by answer option B, Ausubel. Pi was named by the mathematician. Answer option D, William Jones. Piaget, former operational. Brunner dash. Answer option B, symbolic. Which of the following helps the mathematics teacher mainly in their teaching? Answer option A, handbook. The practical form of inductive method is mostly answer option A, laboratory method. The basic philosophy of project method is answer option B, pragmatism. National Mathematics Day is celebrated on. Answer option C, 22nd December. Knowledge should not be presented in water-tight compartments. This leads to which aspects in the teaching of mathematics? Answer option C, correlation. In a mathematics class, there is a one-way traffic of rapid flow of ideas. The teacher may follows. Answer option D, lecture method. Enquiry training model comes under. Answer option A, information processing models.